Poor Rosie has never quite learned not to jump up when you come in and she gets excited, and I think that's due to conflicting commands from Lucy and I. So when I come in, I'll say, down, down Rosie. Lucy comes in, she's like, down, down Rosie, down. So she's just puzzled. How Lucy and I met is a good one. It all started with a very classy, high-end dating app called Hinge. I remember in my house in Newport that night, and I was browsing through some of Dundee's finest profiles. I was just like, and then that's when I first came across Lucy, and I thought, bloody hell, jackpot. Because she was very good looking, obviously, and she was playing golf in over 50% of her photos. And I thought, you know, that's pretty good, but I hope she's not boring, you know. She probably will be boring. So I made the first move, and I sent a text and said hello. And what followed was about 10 weeks of back and forth text tennis, because this was love in the times of COVID. But through that, I quickly discovered that she wasn't boring at all. In fact, she was quite the opposite. She was fun, witty, and we shared a lot of similar interests in life. So I thought, I am onto a winner, just got to play it cool. And I played it cool.
Hey! Going to be looks more handsome than ever. So I got sound on that video.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the wedding. Get out, camera. Yeah.
Beautiful child.
What do you think of your daughter?
Oh, I've always thought she's a wonderful girl.
I, Andrew William Kay, take you, Lucy Ann Simpson, to be my wife.
I, Lucy Ann Simpson, you, Andrew William Kay, to be my husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish, till death us do part.
According to God's holy law. And this is my solemn vow.
I declare that they are now husband and wife. It's right.
Yes. Lucy, okay.
That's pretty good.
That's so beautiful, yeah, thank you. And then finally, she moved back to Scotland, COVID had relaxed, and we set a plan to meet. And I suggested a forest walk. You know, the suggested forest walk was a bit of a red flag.
Hide a body in a forest.
Yeah, let's go and walk in the forest. I arrived first to the car park and I was waiting for Lucy, and she later admitted to thinking I looked like a bit of a goofball when she first drove in, because I was kind of standing there waving psychotically with this huge...
You're the only one there.
Yeah. All right, let's go in the forest.